Welcome back to Maple and Saffron, where cooking cuisine from around the globe is a fun thing to do, but it's not so fun when you don't have any direction. In the beginning, we're keeping it a little bit closer to home with my own personal favorites. Uh, this tonight is going to be fruit salsa because the weather is amazing and it feels potentially like summer might be around the corner. We haven't yet had spring, so hopefully it will be the beginning of spring. Fruit salsa is basically a fancy name for a fruit salad that is chopped very tiny and eaten with like cinnamon, sugar, tortilla baked in the oven. I'll show you what to do. Anyways, today for our fruit salsa, you can pretty much use whatever you like, whatever's in season, whatever is ripe, whatever is cheap, whatever. It can be fresh, it can be frozen, doesn't matter. I have pineapple, I have raspberries, some frozen mango because they're not cheap and they're not delicious right now because we live in the northern hemisphere. I have frozen blueberries, I have strawberries, I have grapes, and I have an orange. So I'll see you in a minute when it's all chopped. So the fruit is all chopped here and it's just in little tiny pieces. So for the chips, take a white whole wheat tortilla. I don't recommend spinach because that's a bit strange. Put some butter on and just give it a nice little layer of butter. Not super much, just enough to make the sugar stick. And then here I've mixed just, I don't know, a couple of these spoons of sugar with a sprinkle of cinnamon. What you would use if you had cinnamon sugar toast growing up. That's kind of the mixture you're going for those of you who know what I'm talking about. And you just sprinkle it on your tortilla. And you will put this, just no pan, nothing, just put it in the oven at 350 and you'll bake it in there until this has kind of gotten a bit crispy and the sugar has caramelized. All right, so the tortilla was in the oven for about 8-ish minutes. It could be more golden, but I got bored of waiting. So I pulled it out because it's crispy enough. And if you want it more golden and you want to, you can also just put it under the broiler and it goes a lot faster, but you really have to watch it then. So it comes out, you just have to cut it into pieces. And that's about it. Does this recipe have a recipe? No. Is it entirely by feel? Yes, because I am just a regular cook. I don't always follow recipes. I cook according to how it feels. And is it turning into crumbles on the counter? Yes, but that's okay. You don't need perfection. You just need deliciousness. So here is the end result. We have our tortilla chip cracker things you can use to lift your salsa with. Take a bite. Delicious. No recipe, just whatever is in season, whatever is cheap, whatever you want, whatever you're not allergic to. In a bowl, cut small, and it's delicious. Do you need to make these? No. But they're also fun, especially if you have kids. If you make them under the broiler, they will be a little bit more soft and they will be a little bit more caramelized. So it's up to you. Do you want to babysit tortillas in the oven or put them in for like 5 to 10 minutes? Totally your call. Enjoy.